motivation, operational advice. And also, how do you focus, like कैसे focus किया आपने 23 years के लिए? मुझे जानना है ये.
As I explained you earlier, I tell you earlier, I just do my work with a passionate mind. Rest is the natural outcome.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have Mr. Huzaifa and also Mr. Ashish. So, we will begin with the. We are beginning with the book launch with Mr. Huzaifa and Mr. Ashish. Thank you. So I would like Mr. Huzaifa to speak about this book.
So, नारायण जी, I think मेरी लाइफ में I think it just came around I think 2 years back, and ये 2 साल में okay, I have seen so many aspects of him. मतलब मैंने उनको बहुत सारे अलग अलग रूप में देखा है, as a leader, as an innovator, okay, continuously creating ideas, motivating people, you know. हमारे को जब दिल्ली में चैप्टर लॉन्च करना था AFMTR एसोसिएशन, विच वाज इट्स अ पैन इंडिया एसोसिएशन, व्हेन वी थॉट कि वी विल स्टार्ट अ चैप्टर इन दिल्ली. सो हमारे पास दिल्ली में इतने ज़्यादा मेंबर्स नहीं थे. देन वी सेड कि वी नीड समबडी हु नो लीड दिस. तो नारायण जी जम्प्ड इनटू इट. ही सेड कि डोंट वरी, आपको कितने मेंबर चाहिए बताओ. सर थोड़े बहुत भी हो जाएंगे तो विल बी हैप्पी, काइंड ऑफ 40-50. 100 दे दो सर. एंड ही वॉज एबल टू गेट सो मेनी मेंबर्स विद इन अ मंथ. एंड वी स्टार्टेड द दिल्ली चैप्टर एंड वी रिक्वेस्टेड हिम टू लीड द दिल्ली चैप्टर by becoming the president of the Delhi chapter. So today he has been leading the chapter now, almost getting 1 year now old. In fact, we are having our AGM next month, that is the 1 year celebration. And believe me, Delhi has been rocking after that. Okay, तो ये तो दिस इज़ जस्ट वन ऑफ द एस्पेक्ट्स. अब इतना ही था. मैं तो ऑलरेडी बहुत इंस्पायर था इनकी बहुत सारी एबिलिटीज़ से. अलग अलग खूबियाँ देखते ही जा रहा हूँ दिन ब दिन. एंड सडनली डैन ही सेंड्स मी अ मैसेज कि सर यू टू राइट अ फॉरवर्ड फॉर माई बुक विच आई हैव रिटन. लाइक आई वॉज शेकन अप. मतलब अभी ये नया एस्पेक्ट और एक ग्रुप कहाँ से देखने मिल गया. वन मोर group of Narayan ji, that is an author. So I was so impressed. He sent me the draft of the book. I wrote a foreword for that, and believe me, this is a very fantastic, very inspiring book for our industry. I think this is one of the first book which is written by a manufacturer himself. So far we have many authors written many books, but a manufacturer writing a book from our industry, from India, this I think it will be the first of the kind. So I am very sure it is something which everybody should go through. There are some pearls of wisdom in the book which I think will really help a lot of people in many ways. So congratulations and all the best sir for your book. Looking forward to many such more books in the future. और ये शुरुआत है, just a beginning. I am very sure कि इस पे पूरा उपन्यास लिखेंगे नारायण जी. Thank you sir.
Biography.
Thank you. Narayan ji, standing along with you is such an honor. And India really needs statesmen. India really needs leader. And we truly have a leader out here. He has always been very modest. Beyond coming from such a humble background, he doesn't never reflects across. And he is completely dedicated to the task in hand across. So the biggest thing what I learn across is to be in the present moment and make the most out of the present moment. That's what Narayan ji always shines across to. It is, and second important thing is he doesn't sits back in his glory. He always has something next lined up across, and that is the beauty of what has brought him here. There are many who started their career much before him. there are many who are inspiring now, along with him across, to reach such glory. And this is still always, whenever you speak to him, it's still a beginning. Despite achieving so much in the industry, there are very few, the first generation entrepreneurs. You know, India is a very biased country where the generations of wealth can make generations wealth further across. Here we have a gentleman who is from the grassroots, and he says, and he is able to prove that, look here, I can prove it, I can make it, and at every step he has proved it. Another important point about him is he is amazing at picking up at the right people. All of you around here are a witness to it. There's something special about you. That's why you are able to be with Mr. Das, because he has a cue, he has a knack of picking up the right people across and making them, enlivening them. Whatever the circumstance, situation, just like Josefa mentioned, that look here, we want to start it. He doesn't wait for an invitation in order to make you a leader in all. He takes the lead. So when we were talking about having some, say, 15 members for Delhi, you know, we have a large challenge. Our furniture industry is very disorganized, very, very individualistic. So gathering us together has been a challenge for us, where our leaders like Josefa and many others from past 15 years have been able to gather and organize furniture industry in India. So it was a very big, deep initiative from Narayanji to start the Delhi chapter for us, and that's how he has been inspiring us. So Narayanji, please do keep inspiring us and keep writing furthermore. Nobody would have ever thought of writing a book across to it. Kudos to you. Hats off. Thank you.
I am amazed, like I'm amazed by this man.
You truly should be.
When I just entered, I was like, who is this person? He's working all around. And then he was like, तुम अपना event अपने according कर लो. He's like so chill, so calm, and still he's giving perfection at everything. I'm like, still my hands were shivering. I was nervous all the whole time that what will he think? But he's like, nahi, jo karna kare. He's that calm with his colleagues and his customers and his family members. Sab aa rahe and everyone are like, they've worked with him since 20 years, 30 years. I'm like, I'm not even, तभी born भी नहीं हुई थी. And he has that much of experience. And when yesterday I was reading on the internet about him. He made his company through some guy. Can you explain it?
Yeah. Your journey, how your journey started.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah. I started my journey after doing my engineering in 2001 from State College of Engineering, Haryana. After that, I do 1.5 years as a quality engineer in an automobile company. After that, I got the chance to work with Mr. Kedarnath Pandey, Chicken Steel Collection owner. He gave me the chance, he gave me the break to come this industry, and rest is the history. I am the proof that if you can do something with your wholehearted and with faith in God and do with the pure heart, every aspect of your life will help you to achieve your target, to achieve your goal in the life. Just like the saying is that अगर आप किसी को दिल से चाहोगे तो सारी कायनात आपको मिलाने में मदद करेगी. That is just like that. So I started this business 23 years back, and उस टाइम मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि I will be at that height in my life. But with the people around me, with the supports of people around me, my family, my friends, my employees, my mentors, my customers, my vendors, everyone in my life give me unconditional support. Just like Josefa sir, just like Rajendra ji, just like AFMT is just like my second home. So what I have learned from life, if you do the business with ethics and with the clear purpose in mind, you can achieve it. And all these things I have written in my book. In my book, I have written about how a MSME manufacturer or a newcomer can be a good manufacturer, can achieve his target, how a new entrepreneur can be a successful entrepreneur. And I have also mentioned the pitfall he should avoid so that he can achieve the profit, regard how he can scale up his profit, how he can scale up industry, how he can use the new technologies to scale up the business, how he can be the brand in his particular field. So just I have got idea कि if जो मैंने फेस किया, because I don't have the money, I don't have the guidance, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था. I started my career in automobile company at the salary of 3,250 rupees. I still remember my salary slip as a trainee engineer. And I was not having any money. I am from, my father was a farmer at that time. So I don't have the money. So from that background, I created this empire. Today, last year we closed at 46 crore, 250 people are working in our organization. We have the presence pan India. So if I can do it, everyone can do it. To show people, to show the newcomers, new pass out from the colleges, schools, if even a single person can inspire from my story, so my book purpose will be successful. That's why I write it. So thanks to all of you for coming here on my special invitation from your busy schedule, and I think in the future we will more refine this book as Vijay sir said, and it will be more refined and it will be more useful. Thank you, ma'am.
I am amazed. मेरे पास तो words ही नहीं है बोलने के लिए. Like, this is the power of business. You can just see. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for calling me up here. Thank you for your time. Thank you. And we will proceed with the book. Mukesh ji. So I would like to take your time, please.
Hi, Narayan ji, I know him from past 15-20 years. He's a visionary. When I started Gas Springs, I was running on a very bad phase because nobody makes gas lifts in India. I started that. One day we met, we have a group of friends. All Mr. Manna, Amol. So we all sat together. He said me only one thing. This product, you have took an initiative. We will work together, we'll see to that every Indian will buy this. Any chair manufacturer will buy this product, don't worry. And this vision of writing a book, I have never seen any industry of furniture, let it be chairs, cots, beds, any branch. I have never thought of this. So this is an idea. I have read the book, some parts. A small time manufacturer or a person who wanted to come into this industry can do wonders reading by this book. And I said him not to give everybody this book, make somebody to bring a book and take this book. I don't know, but I really appreciate this guy from nowhere to somewhere. Thank you, thank you.
So you are an inspiration for the younger generations, for the entrepreneurs who are learning, and you know they can just buy the book and you know I can see what you have learned. Like 23 years में जो मुझे सीखना है, I learn it from your book basically. And I will give this book to my daughter or son. I'll be like, see, my back is also paining. You take the book. You also make a company. I don't know anything about furniture, but you are. Thank you so much. But you can see this is the power of business, working hard. Like he's working hard towards his dreams, dedication.
And thinking that we can do. We can do. It's not that we can do. We can.
Yeah, definitely. Like he already had a mindset that he will do it. this is the reason he made it. Like, wow, thank you so much. We will.
So I will request Huzefa sir to
Scale your profit to 4x.
Come in the center.
Sir, look for the picture. Hold up.
Thank you so much.
पेन देना उसमें. Thank you. Sir, please.
I'm still shivering because of the.
So in 15 minutes, you two had a break. Thank you so much.
It was like totally, he's being perfect at everything. I am like, यार मुझे कोई चिल्ला देगा तो मैं तो रोने लगूंगी.
वो नौबत ही नहीं है इनके साथ.
Yeah, still he's very polite, like very polite. Do everything on your own. Love it.
Last minute.
Go to sleep sometime.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Okay.
Wait in the.